Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pretty Present Cole from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve across near the top. Then from each end, we're going to angle it out. Angle it down and out again. And then let's angle it back in. And then close off the bottom with a line across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start at the bottom and let's draw a small rectangle for the nose. And color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw a line down and two angles down and out. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the eyes with two large ovals. Now inside each one, let's draw a curve across. And color the top part in black. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down. And color the pupils in black as well. Then let's add another curve underneath each eye. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up. Bring it up from each end. And another curve across the top. And then color these both in black. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, we're going to hop down underneath each eye and let's draw a heart. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the bows. On the top left, let's draw curves going out in a flower pattern. And the same thing on the top right. Now let's add the ribbon hanging down underneath by drawing two curves down underneath on the left and the right like this. And then close off each one with a point up at the bottom. Now let's add the large ribbon on top of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a bump up and back down in the center. And then inside, let's draw 2 curves across to form the stripe pattern. Now on top, let's draw a large curve out and down on each side. Then a bump down. And one more, bringing it back in. Now inside, let's draw a curve out and up near the top here. Now inside, let's draw the stripe pattern. At the top, let's draw 2 curves. Two more underneath across the center. And 2 more at the bottom. Now top underneath, and let's draw the ends of the ribbons by curving it down and out. And another curve under these. And then close off the ends with a point in, like this. Now inside, let's draw some curved stripes. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the feet. Let's start with 2 curves down on the left and 2 on the right. And close off each one with a curve across. And now let's color both of the feet in black. And that's it for Pretty Present Cole. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!